In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a file from the app. We'll walk through this process slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're completely new to the app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for on your screen in order to export your file successfully. First, go ahead and open the app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet if your files are stored online, like in a cloud account. If you have a lot of apps, you might want to use your device's search function to quickly find it. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's pulling in files from the cloud. Next, look for the file you want to export. This might be in a recent files list, a specific folder, or a project view, depending on how the app is organized. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct file by checking its name, date, or a quick preview if one is available. When you're sure it's the right one, tap on the file to select it. In many apps, this will highlight the file or open a small preview screen. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the file or the top corner of the screen. You're looking for an icon with 3 dots. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu. It might be arranged vertically or horizontally, but it usually looks like 3 small circles in a row. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. When you do this, a menu should appear with several options related to that file. In this menu, you'll want to find the option labeled Export. Sometimes it might be grouped with options like Share, Download, or Save As, but you're specifically looking for Export. Tap on Export, and the app will either start the process right away or ask you a few more details, like which format you'd like to use or where you want to save the exported file. Depending on the size of the file and your connection speed, the export might take a few seconds. Once it's done, you should see a confirmation message or find the exported file in the location you selected, such as your device storage, a downloads folder, or another app. And that's all there is to it. By opening the app, selecting your file, tapping the 3 dots on the right side, and choosing export, you can quickly and easily